Hey guys, look what I got today. Millie Vincent over at Mimi Pours on YouTube. She does acrylic pouring and her work is fabulous. So I bought some pieces from her and they came in today. And I wanted to share with you as I open them. I kind of got some of it open. I don't have it all the way open yet. But I wanted to open this in front of you guys so you guys can see how wonderful her work is. Oh, I know I'm going to stab myself. Ugh. Okay. Now these are canvases. That's why the bag looks so big, or the box looks so big. Okay. I'll put the box on the floor. Oops. Okay. Ooh, how pretty. This is the first one I got. Isn't that beautiful? I love the colors on it. And she even signed the back. So awesome. So you guys really need to check her channel out. I mean, she's just... her work is really, really good. On auctions, lots of people fight. Fight to get their bids in before the timer runs out. Here's the companion piece with that one. So, let's see. I'll probably do it this way. See if you guys can see those. And these two panels or canvases are, let's see, they're 7 inches by, they look probably, yeah, 7 by 14. So that's the sizes. Isn't that beautiful? Don't they look great together? They almost look like, what do you call them? Those triptychs where you get the 3 canvases together, but they're separate, but they all go together. You know, they all like flow into each other. But I thought this was really pretty. Actually, I love them. Set these aside. Show you the other ones. I believe I have a couple more coming, but I think she's got to varnish them. So, oh yeah. Okay. Look at this one first. Look how pretty that is. See all the cells popping up? See if you can see that a little bit better. Isn't that beautiful? And this, I think, looks like an 11 by 16, maybe. Let me see. No, maybe 11 by 14. Yeah. But that's what this one is. And then the companion piece with this is this one. I'll turn it sideways. Maybe you can see it better. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the detail in that. But you should check out her channel. Like I said, it's called Mimi Pours, and she does a lot of acrylic pouring. And her work is fabulous. Oh my gosh. But thank you so much for watching. I know this was a short one, but I did want to share. And have a great day. Remember, humor in life keeps life from being boring. God bless.